Tired of capping ass niggas. Been snapping on niggas. Been hanging around gang bangers and killers since a little nigga. Yo, bitch bad, she big mad cause I stopped fucking with her. Better leave me alone before I fuck again. Swear to God, I'm starting to miss her. You beat the bitch like mister. I beat the pussy, don't kiss her. What you mad at me for, nigga? I don't want the bitch, come get her. I was to run out the litter. Now I'm big dog on niggas. I'm a big stepper, you a slipper. I'm eating like Sunday dinner. My presence needed like Christmas. She called for some good dickin'. I fucked her all in the kitchen. She squirting, that's water whipping. Hey, not from the bay. Gone off that end of 40. Spit me some game. Nah, I'm leaving this bitch with two shorties. Wake up, drink, and go to sleep drunk. I don't want the bitch, just a quick nut. No time to kick my feet up. I'm trying to catch me a quick buck. Gone off the Cody and Zach. Auntie and they cut off the jack. Me and cuz off the yak. Coughing threw up off the wax. Damn, thick as fuck, who is that? Hold on, I'll be right back. 10 seconds later, slid back with her number and a smile like no slack. Been on grind mode, yeah. We trapping house to house, sleeping from couch to couch. Two bitches sucking my dick, that's mouth to mouth. We ain't in my hood, I'm going south. Skeet on her face, she lick it off. She suck me from soft to hard to soft. Don't fuck with weak bitches, I need me a boss. Keep the perk, pass me a bean. Got a bottle, I don't need the lean. She wasn't born with it, that's Maybelline. She said ice cream when I cream. With a big white boy like a Viking. He don't smoke weed, he a bike king. He on shrooms, meth, and cocaine. I don't know, man, it's a white thing. Where these beans come from, they biting. My weed hit hard like Tyson. My money come fast like lightning. Hold on, motherfucker, free Ryan. Hey, miss my dog, I ain't crying. Yeah, tell a nigga keep grinding. You don't get nowhere from whining. It's coming, dog, it's timing. It's a process, you can speed it up. You gon' fall down, scrape your knees up. Dust yourself off, get back up. Put a smile on and don't slack up. I'm in grind mode, chasing paper. What the problem is, you a hater. Probably your hoe in my stable. Keep the blade on me, get stapled. Who the fuck said I was stable? I hit every bottle on the table. And every blunt in the ashtray. Been rolling for 3 days. Pop another one, I give no fucks. I been up, this shit stuck. She drink nut with a big butt. Now I think I love her. We on the couch with no cover. Looking for my rubbers. She told me just stick it in. Now I'm pondering if I trust her. Hell no, I don't trust hoes. Eat the dick or hit the front door. Thought that was my uncle. Mind your business, bitch, that's a custo.